In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your YouTube is showing a small screen on your television. So right now my YouTube app is working normally, and that's because I've just fixed it. But if you are seeing a small window when trying to play a YouTube video, then I'm going to show you two different methods you can use to solve this. Now it's nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to the YouTube application, and the first thing we're going to do is grab your television remote control and then just hold down the back button. So on my particular model of remote, it's this one here. It's a symbol with a kind of backwards arrow. On some remote controls, it could just be labeled with the text back, and you just want to hold this down for around about 10 seconds. So I'm going to keep holding it down, and that's going to close out of the YouTube application. And then now if I head back over to the YouTube app, that should have now solved the small window issue. If it's still not working, the second method to fix this is just heading over to the power cable that runs from your television over to the wall socket, and you want to remove this plug from the power like so. And we're going to leave this unplugged for again around about 10 seconds, and then you can replug it back in, fire up your television, and once again that should have now solved the YouTube small screen issue. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.